Hello and welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. Today is Fab 5 Friday. This is a special edition of Fab 5 Friday. This is Fab 5 Friday for the fellas. That is a mouthful. Today we're going to be making this was going to be a German beer cheese, but I decided to use what my husband had on hand, which is Cider. So we're going to put that in here instead. But we are making some cheese. And before I get started, let me just say, if you're new here, my name is Sherry. And if you love food and fun like I do, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You'll find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So I have a full pound of cheese in here. So 2 8-ounce blocks that I have chopped up into cubes. So I've got that in there. And then I need 3/4 of a cup of beer. Pour that right in here. We need a little bit of pepper. Maybe 1/2 teaspoon or so. And same with our salt. And 1 garlic clove. All right. And then we need, I didn't get it all out of there. Can you tell I'm in a hurry? I just found out we have company coming over. 1½ teaspoons. That doesn't look like 1½ there. 1½ teaspoons of mustard and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire. Okay, so now I'm going to replace the lid. I had to find it. And we're going to give this a whirl. Till it's nice and combined. I'd say about a minute or 2. Okay, should be done. Look at that. You can smell the apple in there. That smells good. So let's see if I can get my blade out of here. Yeah, it only took about 2 minutes, so just long enough I could clean up some of my mess here and throw it in the sink. All right, so I'm going to scrape this into a mason jar. And you know what? I didn't even get a gift tag or anything pretty to decorate our jar with. Matter of fact, I didn't grab any crackers so I could even taste it. So you get the apple right away. You definitely get that right away. So I'm wondering if I would like it more or less if I had to put German beer in it, because I'm not a German beer fan. I do like this, though. I think it's really good. I think it's going to be better, though, after it sits for about a day and kind of mellows out in the fridge. And then once it does that, you can store this in there for up to a week, and it's good. So I'll have to find something to decorate this with, but I got to run because we have company coming over. So this is probably the shortest video I ever made. Anyway, I thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow again with another gift recipe. Bye.